Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coins Alert, your place to get your crypto fix. I'm hosting this show, Ripple Van Winkle Tapestry, wishing everyone a wonderful day. It's the weekend, so why not? Let's celebrate Cinco de Mayo on May 4th. Happy Cinco de Mayo. This is a very important week because my girlfriend's birthday is early next week. Hopefully some of you are in Las Vegas right now, and if you are, I hope you're having a great time. Vegas, after all. Why not have fun in Las Vegas? That is what I need to know. In this episode, we're going to talk about the price of XRP. Yes, we're going to talk about the price of the entire cryptocurrency market. It's looking great. It's looking green. It's looking up. We're on a little bit of a run. It looks like Bitcoin's bottom that we were talking about. Remember, we talked about 60,000 as a bottom area. If that didn't hold 58, a triple zero was your next bottom. I had to hold, very important. 58,000 was a level that we needed to make sure that we held the ball, because if we didn't, it was a free for all the way down to that $50,000 to $52,000 region. What does it look like happened here? We held 58, went back up to about 64,074. A triple zero would indicate the next bull run is on. We could be seeing a little bit of a push up in Bitcoin, and then we can still see that correction all the way back down to that 58,000 region, possibly even 52,000. We aren't out of the water just yet. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. So delicious jump into a Bitcoin, $63,950. It's currently up 4.76% in the past 24 hours. Earnings for Ethereum are 3,147 presently. It's up 3.42% in the last 24 hours. Both USDT and USDC are back to their original values, while XRP is on a bit of a run, up 54 cents or 3.67% in the last 24 hours. The total market cap for cryptocurrencies was still below the all-time high of 2.7-2.8 trillion, coming in at 2.391 trillion. The important question now is where we're going from here. Since Bitcoin is just in a chop, it's in the range and nothing special is happening. Keep in mind, Lux Lions holders, that we gave back over 30,000 USD in Lux Lions just on May 1st. These are selling like hotcakes. I think 60 have been sold in the last 3 days. I haven't had a chance to go through all the orders yet, but today they're going to fly off the shelves. Holding all of these will get you 30% back and XRP from the project. The more you hold, the more you get back. TCG World, here's one of our metaverse partners. They say, may the 4th be with you, which means that this force is 100% strong. Want to see a metaverse? An actual metaverse, one of the biggest metaverses, will use the XRP database. See what Lux is doing with TCG World. It's the only thing that matters. His location is XRP Las Vegas. Fruition Productions' schedule for Friday, a short clip from the unreleased XRP documentary, showed that Brad Garlinghouse and Joel Katz would be in it. They talked about Ripple and upholds partnership policy on Capitol Hill, building a multi-chain world interoperability, private equity, and IPO session protecting the dollar. Today, Caleb and Brown will be presenting. If you don't know, Caleb Brown is a crypto holding / onboarding offboarding. If you're in Las Vegas for XRP, David Schwartz is talking from 150 to 215 minutes in. It's a very short address from him and Rachel, lasting about 25 minutes. I really hope you're having a great time. Hopefully everyone is getting to meet new people and set up meetings. Dai even had some coffee. We know that a lot of people look up digital asset investors because he is the reason they are still in the XRP community. He keeps the faith and the hope alive, so hopefully you'll be able to make it to the coffee hour by DA Crypto is trustworthy. Display the graph and initiate a discourse on Bitcoin, its value, and the present state of the market. He identifies two main possible outcomes. He is currently looking for a Bitcoin green road, which is the best path. We hold the local highs we broke above and we continue up to a major resistance. This will allow me to fill the shorts and a number of alts across the board. The red path, red down. It's not ideal. We failed to reclaim. We see an early breakdown in the ideal short zone for most. Also, I am not met. We'll see how things look tomorrow. In the meantime, if you want to see why I'm so keen on looking for the shorts here, you can watch this video. So here's agreed. We get up to that major resistance zone. You know, I told you 68,000 to 74 is where I have it. He has a 68 to about 71.5. That's your major resistance. That is where he's looking for us to go if we get a breakdown and we fail to break above. The resistance, which we are sitting at the resistance right around there, 6062 or 63, to 65, that is where we need to break above. We are splitting heads right now because we are currently in the middle of that zone. If we can break above, we'll see the next push up. If we fail to break out of this minor resistance, 63 to 65,000, we will be seeing a downward fall and Bitcoin one more time, which would indicate that that is the last downfall. Please pardon me. We don't want to break below $52,000. That's it, folks. We want to go back up. That's what he's looking at. We want to see this resistance. We want to get above that $74,000 region on Bitcoin. That's what we're looking to break. We need to break 74,000 if we are in the final wave of Bitcoin. If we are, it will go completely parabolic and explode. Remember that this is the year of Bitcoin. We'll see alts and Ethereum go, you listen. This is just a scared man. He says he's scared of everything else out there because all of his money is in Bitcoin. As of this summer, BNB, Solana, Ripple, and Cardano will all be seen as securities by Wall Street, but XRP is not a security. It's a company that's going to be issuing stocks and shares, and an IPO is on the way. So don't listen to this idiot. Ethereum is not going to be approved sometime this summer. No one will doubt that Ethereum is a crypto asset security and not a product after that. BNB, Coin, Solana, Ripple, Cardano, it's the only crypto asset that all institutional investors agree on and accepts. Everything else is just an unregistered crypto asset security. None of them will ever be wrapped in a spot ETF, none of them will be accepted by Wall Street, and none of them will be accepted by mainstream institutional investors as crypto assets. Jackson Saylor requires safeguarding his financial commitment. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that Bitcoin will be like Napster, now Apple Music, but it won't be legal. That's why regulations are so important for Ripple. They've been on the regulatory side from the start because they know they'll have the final say on who stays and who doesn't. Here's a headline for you. XRP is the next Bitcoin. Ripple is not a doomsday scenario. Instead, the company wants to make a big impact on the world and transform the financial world, which is exactly what they are doing. This brings us to the eGrad crypto XRP market cap. Kaboom, number 3 looking. At the monthly time frame, let's see how price action reacts with the 21 EMA. The XRP price, well, let's dance it around for now, but when the Kabooma God candle happens, it will change everything. This is the overall value of all XRP-based cryptocurrencies. We've been dancing around that green dash line while waiting for something to go off. If you listen, we've been getting up to 2.27 fib 959 billion, which puts XRP close to $20. The 1.618 I mean, at the end of the day, $5,100 XRP this cycle, no, in the future, possibly what we're really looking at. Let's start with an all-time high of $3, then we can aim for that $7 range. Possible 10 to 1 31724. It is on the table if we get a $1 trillion market cap for XRP. It is very early days, very early days. I mean, XRP is only 53 cents right now. We have a long way to go. The next hurdle is $30, which we want to see all of that happen this year. Next year is when the real fun will start. Remember that the closer XRP gets to a dollar before Bitcoin goes on its run, the more likely it is that we'll see a $7 to $13 XRP this cycle. That's what I'm hoping for, and I'm crossing my fingers and toes that we can get there. It's possible, absolutely possible. Maintain your faith and stay strong. Let's see how this unfolds. I'm going to live that way. Listen, wash your hands, take care of each other, and be nice. Ripple Van Winkle is now available.